Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and once again here I am with the review of today's IELTS test. Actually, I was sitting and relaxing and I started receiving messages on WhatsApp, and many of you were asking me about the review of today's test. So then I thought I should make a review video. It's a very quick video. I'm just going to tell you in 3-4 minutes about the review, and this review is very important for those who are going to appear in their IELTS test on 15th December. Okay, 15th December is another important day, and there's going to be IELTS test all over the world, because after that there are the Christmas holidays. So that's why this is the last test of the year, and this test is very important. This is the last test of 2018. So you need to get ready for that, and in the light of what I'm going to tell you right now, this will help you arrange yourselves, or this will help you prepare yourselves for the next test. Anyways, let's take a start. I received this message from Narinder Singh from Sultanpur Lodhi. So Narinder Singh, thank you very much. You sent me a detailed message about today's test, and Narinder Singh belongs to Sultanpur Lodhi, and he's from Indian Punjab. And let me just tell you. In task 1, actually he appeared in academic IELTS test. So in task 1, actually there was a bar chart, and this bar chart was about the changes in car ownership per household in the UK between 1975 and 2005. I repeat, task 1, there was a bar chart, and this was quite easy bar chart. Narinder was telling me the test was easy overall. And task 1 was about changes in car ownership per household in the UK between 1975 and 2005, and who have people who had 1 car, no car, 2 cars or 3 cars. I've seen this somewhere. You guys can Google it. This bar chart I have seen somewhere, so you should try to Google it. And in task 2 for essay writing question, again guys, be ready for 15th December. I'm pretty sure either it is going to be opinion essay or discussion essay, because now they are just giving opinion and discussion essays, and this was the same in today's test. Today is 13th of December, and this test was conducted in India, I guess by IDP. So task 2 was, some people say that in schools many activities are waste of the time, or many activities waste time, but others say that everything which is taught in schools is useful for children or for children's life in some point. Discuss both views with your own opinion. So discuss both views and give your opinion. The question was about the activities which are done in school. They are waste of time. Other people think that these activities are really good for life and they teach a lot about life, and you got to discuss both views and give your opinion. It's going to be a 4-paragraph essay. So again, let me tell you, if your test is on 15th of December, you need to be ready and pay special attention to opinion essays and discussion essays. I don't know exactly, but this is just, a sort of a guess I'm making. Then, as far as reading is concerned, in his reading test, there was the passage. The first 7 questions were true, false, not given. So you need to prepare true, false, not given questions, because this always comes. Then blanks with 1 word only. I told you, and I made some videos on blanks with 1 word only as well. And after that, there were the passages, and there was another passage. In passage 2, questions 14 to 21, they were completion sentences, completion question, sentence completion. So they were sentences and you had to complete sentence or table completion. And then 22 and 23, choose any 2 from 5 options. This is also called multiple choice, where they give you 5 options and you got to choose any 2 options from there. And questions 24 to 26, they were blanks with 2 words only. And remember, every time in listening and reading, don't forget to read the instructions of the question. Every question comes with instructions like no more than 1 word, no more than 2 words, no more than 3 words, and there is a statement. Please read that carefully. After that, questions 27 to 32, they were blanks with options, and you had to find the synonyms in the passage and then options from the box, and you got to write the exact option from there. 33 to 37 MCQ, and 38 to 40 yes, no, not given. I would say this reading was quite complex because there were many types of questions like true, false, not given, blanks with one word, sentence completion, choose any two from 5, then again blanks with 2 words only, then blanks with options, MCQ, and yes, no, not given. 8 types of questions were there in that very test. Anyways, in listening section 1, there were 10 blanks with 1 word only, and I recently made some listening videos for 1 word only. So there were 10 blanks in section 1 with 1 word only. In section 2, there was a map and questions were 11 to 16. Questions 17 to 20, choose letter from map. Okay, they gave a map and you had to choose the letters from there to write the answer. Those letters were actually the places. So letters are places, and they tell you in the questions like cafe, student union office, park, and all that, and you got to write those letters from there. I got it. In section 3, questions 21 to 26 in listening, they were match the information with correct option. Matching question, and this can be a little complicated, so you need to prepare for that as well. And 27 to 30, they were the same questions. And 4th section, they were all blanks with 1 word only. So those who are appearing in IELTS, I'm not trying to scare you. I'm just trying to tell you that you need to get ready for your test. Okay, be ready for your test, which is going to be conducted day after tomorrow. Probably if I upload this video tomorrow, then it's only the next day. Right, so this is how the test went on. I received another message as well. Yeah. This other message was sent by Shalaiba. Okay, I can't read the name. This is also from India. Let me see if the name is given. No, the name is not given. And yeah, it's here. Hello sir, I want to ask you now. I'm doing writing module, and okay, this is not basically about that. So that's all. This was a little review of IELTS test. Let me tell you, for 15th December, we cannot say whether the test is going to be easy or difficult or whatever. So remember, test is difficult only for those who are not very well prepared. Those who are looking for chance that if test is going to be easier, we will get good bands. If test is difficult, we'll not get good bands. So don't leave any room for chance. The type of questions which are most difficult for you and the type of questions which are more difficult actually, there you need to pay some special attention. And let me tell you one thing, those who are appearing on 15th, please go for academic IELTS book number 13, because academic IELTS book number 13 has got some difficult reading tests and some difficult listening tests. So if you go through academic IELTS book number 13, definitely you'll be prepared for your test. And those who are going to appear in general training IELTS, for you my advice is go through Cambridge IELTS general training book number 11, book number 12 and book number 13. You still have some time, so you can take all listening and all reading tests from Cambridge IELTS general training book number 11, 12 and 13, and for academic book 13 only. Don't forget to review book 13. If you've done it already, just review that book as well, and then you'll be happy on the exam day. So this was a little guess and a little help from Asad Yaqub. I'm so happy that my channel is retrieved and fully working, and I'm really thankful to you guys, especially those who supported me, who empathized with me, or who sympathized with me as well, and who stood by me when I was very sad. I remember the last video I made, I was standing exactly at the right place. This is actually my reading room, so I was standing here and I was like crying and making video that my channel is gone, I don't know what to do now and all that. But most of you supported me from India, from Pakistan, even from Bangladesh, from Sri Lanka. I received a lot of messages, and thank you very much for your great support. And because of your support and prayers, my channel is active, and look, I am cheerful as well. If you like this video, hit on the like button, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and my other channel, Asad Yaqub Vlogs, because both channels are operative now. I'm so happy. Okay, and I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, you can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best from Lahore, Pakistan. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.